Hello. I am going to go over the apostrophe with you and when we use it and why we use it. We mostly use it for either showing possession of something, apostrophe S and S apostrophe, for contractions, making do not don't. And then you can see it for years as well, changing the year 1989 to 89, but you would put an apostrophe first. Those are three usages I'm thinking of right now. But the two most common academically are going to be possession and contraction. So we're going to go over those in this PowerPoint. So an apostrophe is a punctuation mark that is right there in the parentheses. You can see it. And it's used with a noun to show possession or to indicate where a letter has been left out to form a contraction. In possession, an apostrophe and the letters indicate who or what owns something. To show possession with a singular noun, you add apostrophe S. So a singular noun means one. The cat's tail. One cat has a tail, so it's CAT apostrophe S. Here's more examples. Jen's dance routine mesmerized everyone in the room. We can see that the apostrophe S is showing that the dance routine belonged to Jen. She has possession of it. The dog's leash is hanging on the hook beside the door. We know it's not multiple dogs because it's apostrophe S. So that means one dog, and that one dog's leash is hanging on the hook beside the door. Jess's sister is also coming to the party. So sometimes a name might end with S, and that will throw people off. How do I make it plural? It already ends with S. I'll just put Jess' sister. You still put the apostrophe S after an S if it's singular. Okay, possession plural. Plural nouns that already are ending in S. The drummer's sticks all moved in the same rhythm like a machine. So in this instance, we have a bunch of drummers and a bunch of their sticks, and they're all moving in the same rhythm like a machine. A plural noun that does not end with S. The people's votes clearly showed that no one supported the management decision. So people and their votes, multiple people's votes, it's showing you that you still have a group of people. Apostrophe S, it's their votes. It's still plural. I'm trying to think if the way I'm saying this is making sense or not. Let me just try to clarify that again. Drummers, we know that's plural. S apostrophe. But people's is plural, but it's not ending in S. So we put the apostrophe S next to it. The swimmer's pool, the swimmer's pool. What would be the difference? The first one is a pool that belongs to one swimmer. The second one is a pool that multiple swimmers share. So maybe the swim team uses that pool, but the first one is an at-home pool. When it gets tricky. One man's lifelong dream of helping others came true when a men's counseling center opened at the hospital. Men is a group. That group, it's apostrophe S, making it plural, people, plural for the group of people. The students is already plural and ending in S, so it's just apostrophe. Grades on the final exam range from 55 to 96. Then we use apostrophes for contractions. A contraction is a word that is formed by combining two words. In a contraction, an apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been left out. Contractions are commonly used in informal writing, but not in formal writing. So when you're writing research essays for your class, you should not be using contractions. You should be saying do not, would not, is not. But in informal writing, it's absolutely fine to put contractions in. I do not like ice cream. Well, do not can be put to don't. I don't like ice cream. We know that that apostrophe is in place of the O and that it would represent I do not like ice cream. The second one, we will see you later or will see you later. We realize that will is the same thing as we will, but the apostrophe we see there is taking the place of the W and I. Tips. Be careful not to confuse its with its. Its is a contraction of the words it and is. Its is a possessive pronoun. It's cold and rainy outside. You can replace that with it is cold and rainy outside. So using it apostrophe s is the correct example there. The cat was chasing its tail. Well, we see possession because the tail belongs to the cat. So we know there's no apostrophe. But also, if we were to substitute that with it is, it makes no sense. The cat was chasing it is tail. Mm-mm. So we realize that we would not have an apostrophe there. If you don't know this rule, you need to check your writing and make sure when you're writing that you check and confirm does it is fit? Oh, wait, it doesn't. Well, let me change it. Okay, that was the end of the slideshow for today. So hopefully that will help you out with when and how to use an apostrophe. Thanks for watching.